This is an instructional video on issues with your garage door opener in the event of a power outage and you need to get your vehicle out of your garage, or some other type of a issue with your garage door opener. There's an emergency release located on the arm that comes down and attaches to the overhead door. Usually it has a red cord, such as this one, that goes up to the carriage that pulls the garage door open. To release that, you simply pull the latch or the rope in the downward motion, and that will release the garage door from the power head. Now, you simply have to manually lift the garage door. That's all there is to it.